DBS FX Online is the one-stop gateway for your FX needs. It allows you to lock in FX rates up to 1 year in advance, get real-time rates on one dashboard, set up alerts, and stay updated with market trends. Find out how you can create price alerts, customize your currency pair watch list, and capitalize on DBS market insights in this tutorial. First, to create price alerts, log on to FX Online through DBS Ideal. Click on the Foreign Exchange tab, followed by FX Online. Then, click on Price Alerts to begin. Next, key in your target trading amount to automatically receive the recommended target rate. You can adjust your target rate according to the requirements provided and actively monitor prices by setting alerts for up to a month. Do note that rates are secured only upon making the FX booking. Click on Save Alert and you're all set. You can even create up to 6 alerts at once to get the best rates for multiple currency pairs. Once your price is matched, you'll receive an email, SMS, and a pop-up notification. Next, learn how to customize your currency pair watch list. First, access your watch list by clicking on Compare Rates. Then, click on Manage Currencies to add the currency pairs of your choice and confirm your selection. You can now monitor up to 12 currency pairs at any one time. Harness DBS's FX expertise to make informed decisions. In the Market Research section, you can access real-time FX market rates and market insights. Stay updated on the latest FX developments and trends with our articles. DBS FX Online, Forex at your fingertips. Access FX Online using DBS Ideal. Or sign up with DBS today. Contact your relationship manager or call us at our hotlines to find out more.